Hey guys, thank you for tuning into my channel, Mini Movement Man. This is the 2-for-1 exercise theory. My goal on this channel is to get you to think differently about exercise. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how I turn mowing the lawn into an intense cardio session. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you like what my channel is all about. Enjoy the video. All right, so here's the deal. Everybody thinks that when you do your chores at the house, you're kind of wasting your time. There's plenty of other things that you could be doing. But the way that I like to think about things is I want to see how I can multitask and make the most out of every second of my day. So today I am going to mow the lawn, but at the same time, I'm also going to get my cardio in. There you have it, guys. That is how you turn mowing your lawn into some extreme cardio. It really works. Let me know what you think. My point is that I just want to help everybody change their views on what fitness truly is. There's opportunities all around you every single day. You just need to learn how to recognize them. Once again, make sure you hit that subscribe button to help support my channel. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what other concepts you might have for functional fitness. And as always, be kind to one another. Peace.